Welcome back, my friends. I should create something else for the intro. Welcome back, my friends. I'm always using that, and yeah, I know it's a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. Now, we are going to continue styling our thing. Let's just style our brand. I'm same in our navbar, so I'm there, but let's continue using styling the brand. Oops, brand. Okay, and inside the brand, what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna see first how does it look. Yep, premium. Okay, now I just want to style the hover first, and how we can achieve this one is simple, just like this. And I will say color, and I say, let's say blue here. I think I have it blue. Important. Do we have blue? Yeah, here it is. Now I'm just gonna refresh. Here it is, it's working. Now what else we need? I'm not gonna go crazy with transforming and transitions here, but what else I can do here, I will just create a padding to the top of 10 pixels, and let's put it font. Yep, so it's down a little bit, and let me just go to the app.css, and let's see here. Do I have 700? Let's put font weight of 700 and see how that will look. Font weight of 700. I'm gonna save it. Is it done? It should be done. Yep, it's like this, a little bit bolder. Now, next one. What else we can do? Let's style that nav items here. And what else? How we can access them? Same navbar. Nav. I think we have that one. Navbar. Where we have navbar nav. Right, here it is. And what else we can do here? I will just get the nav item. And nav item, I will just give it padding of, not top, I'm just gonna give it padding 5 pixels and 10 pixels. Just gonna refresh, and here you go, the padding is applied. Now I have one more class called navlink, and that class actually, I'll just put a padding to the top of 10 pixels, and let's also do the same hover thing. So when you hover, I'm just gonna put this one, even without, yeah, color blue, even without import, it should work. Just gonna refresh. So when I hover it, here it is. Now if I go back to, oops, if I resize it, very good. Now this padding is working a little bit. So if we remove the padding from this here, if I comment this one, comment that one, you will see how the padding is gonna affect. Here it is. See? Not good. So the padding is working. Now what we need to do, oh, one more thing. Let's work on the search. So we have navbar search. Well, actually that was on top. So navbar search, I'm gonna use this part, and let's put it here. Oops. And navbar search. So what we will do here, I'm just gonna make it like this. I just want this one to be 50% of width. I'm just gonna give it 50% width. Then let's save it, and it's not gonna change much. It's gonna give us like twice of the size it is, but let's go media, and I will say max width of 700 pixels, and I will say padding to the top of 5 pixels, margin top of 10 pixels. What else we do have? And margin left. Let's put a margin left because I don't like the way it is. So I need margin to the top because here it is, very high. Let's put a margin left, margin top. I'm gonna give it same 10 pixels. And when I'm 700 pixels, what I want is actually, I just want to be width of 100%, right? I just want to increase the width. So you're not gonna see the changes because now you're gonna see the changes, right? So before it was like that. Now when we are 700, I just want 100% width. See, it's expanding. And I want a bigger margin. That's nice. Now, what else we need here? Why I have left space like that? I have no idea. Now, after our media query is done, I'm gonna style the form. This form here. This body here. Now, how we can access that one? Same with the shorthand. So I'm gonna put this one as a position relative, and I'm gonna position absolute the button on this. So form control, I'm accessing the class form control, and I will say font size of 20 pixels. I don't want borders. I don't want borders on this one. Border none, not 9. There is 9 TV here in Australia. Maybe you have it, maybe you know, but I was just watching 9 TV. There is an outbreak of some virus here. Now, I will put border radius of 40 pixels. Now, for the older browsers, you remember you need to use WebKit, not animation, but you need to use WebKit border radius. So that's why I'm always telling you to use the modern browsers, right? So I'm not gonna write the WebKits for you. So there is a one for this. There is a Moz for Mozilla and MS. The other one is, I'm just gonna copy it. So I want you to know, and I want you to use. Can I use Moz? That's for Mozilla, and this MS for. Yep, that's it. Border radius. Now this one is important. Border radius. Let's refresh and see what's happening. Here it is. I don't have it. Nice. What else we need here? I'm gonna put a box shadow because we can't see it at the moment, right? Let's see a box shadow. Oops, not sizing. Shadow, and this box shadow should be 5 pixels, 10 pixels, 15 pixels, and I'm gonna put RGBA color black. Same one. Save it. This one is still working. Good. Nice. So I think it's too much on top. We're gonna fix that one. Padding. We're gonna give it a padding to the right. Padding right. Padding to the left first. Yeah, padding to the left. I can say 25 pixels. And padding to the right, we can put it 50 pixels. What else we want to do here? A margin top of 10 pixels. Let's see what's happening now. If anything changed. Very good. It is better now. And when we move this one, we will see how it will go. Now, we styled the form a little bit. The form is looking very nice. So border radius, these are for the browser compatibility. These are box shadow, padding to the left and right. And that's pretty much it. Now, I need to go out of this form control. I need to out of this form. And I'm here probably, huh? Where is it? So I'm in search. I need to be inside a search. So we're gonna access the button. It's double underscore. And let's see, I'm gonna put a height of 60 pixels. I'm gonna put a width of 94 pixels. And if these values are not working for you, just tweak it a little bit. At position absolute. Position absolute, because I want to position the back button absolute and this one to position relative. So I want to use everything. I want to use Flexbox. I want to use CSS Grid. I want to use old style positioning with absolute and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna say top -1%, And let's put it here, right? 2.5%. What else we have here? Background. So I just want a background none. I don't want a background because this one here has its own background. And now I don't want any background here. That's why this background none is there. What else? And I don't want a border none. And I think we're done here. We're gonna finish this one here. Now, here it is. It's there where we need it, positioned perfectly, and also, yeah, because we use I class here, we can style it, but that we'll do next time because it's simple. I class. I'm not gonna give it a name here. Font size of 22 pixels. Make it a little bit bigger. Color in blue. Yep. And what else? Color blue, or yeah, this one blue that we have it here. I'm not gonna use the blue. And what else we need here? When I hover it, and font size is gonna be 20. You can make it 23 if you want pixels, a little bit bigger. And color, let's make it a little bit darker than that one. So I'm just gonna copy this one and I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna say dark blue, and you can tweak this one a little bit to the darker side. And I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna say dark blue, and that's pretty much it. Here, if we want to see the transition changing, did it work? Yeah. So here it is. It's like that, but it's not something that we want to do. I'm just gonna remove this font size. But what I can do here, I told you that I'm not gonna do transitioning, but I want to see that you can do transition all 0.3 seconds. Now that's done. Now it should have smooth transitioning between colors, and actually we can put it here, color black, like this. And the color black, so when we hover it will be this dark blue, or we can change it to blue only. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this lecture. I hope you enjoyed. I put a transition here, all 0.3, and that will give us that smooth effect when we hover it. And now it's not happening anything. Here it is. Nice. So you can increase the timing here in milliseconds, right? So that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. We have done a lot, and we have now what we need to do is not much actually. Let's see how it behaves. Ooh, looks nice. Bam! When I hover it, it looks really awesome. So that's pretty much it. I really do enjoy it, and we're gonna maybe change a couple of things next lecture, or we're gonna leave it like this. I will see, but I think, yeah, it shoot me to the to the other one, but it's still looking very awesome. All right, we're gonna fix the links after that. This is just for, yeah, for our landing page. Nice. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it. And the navbar is 99% done. We can just increase the font size here, yeah, if we want. And what was the font size here? Let's put it 28. Save it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Very good. Now it's more in line with this here. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next lecture.